Hi, my name is Aarón and today I want to talk about my project. YOQUEL RO ONE is a prosthetic arm destined to low-income people, mainly children between 10 and 15 years old. The arm consists of shoulder, upper arm, elbow, forearm, wrist and a hand, which together work with a simple mechanism, moving with 3 degrees of freedom. The prosthesis was built with resistant recycled materials, Arduino board and servo motors. For the moment, it's just only a prototype. It's necessary to strengthen the shoulder, give more stability to the arm, and improve the movements of the hand. I expect it will be functional soon. The objective of the prosthesis is to maintain a pencil, a spoon, and a glass of water by itself. Of course, this project isn't for my personal profit because its main essence is to help people who unfortunately don't have this limb.